Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mashakal Me. Hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create these sweater nails with 3D cable knit texture. So let's get started. All the products that I've used for this tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below as always. So don't forget to check that out. I have used two colors, basic two colors, that's one dark and one light. I wanted to show you this 3D cable knit effect on both light and dark nails. So let's get going now. I have already applied 2 coats of matte finish nail colors here. I'm choosing matte because it dries really quick. So with the help of a small detailer brush, I'm going to create the pattern N, but not the exact N shape, slightly N. But if you look from the front side, it will look like N, but from the way I'm creating it right now, you can see it as a flipped out letter Z or letter Z. So we are going to go over with 2 coats on this pattern so that we have that slightly 3D texture, like so. So let me know in the comment section below which part of the world do you belong to, like which country do you belong to, and what is the weather there right now, because in Kuwait we are having winters, but it's not actually winters because it's not that cold, but it's still a sweater weather. So that's the inspiration behind these nails. Now with the help of a striping brush, I'm going to create the borders like so. So again, I'm going to go 2 to 3 coats over that to create the texture. So this is the way we do it. Do let me know if you watch my YouTube videos or you don't, and why aren't you subscribing if you're watching? Don't just watch my videos, but guys, please do subscribe. Now on the remaining part of the nail, I'm going to create just the dots to cover up that nail. So again, for these dots to create texture, I'm going to go 2 times over it. This is a light polish, so you can't actually see the texture, but I'll give you a closer look once I'm done. But these are really beautiful for the sweater weather. So if you're creating them, do tag me at #MashakilMeNailArt, and don't forget to subscribe. If you don't have matte polishes, you can even use regular polishes, but you have to go 2-3 coats over it. See, now this is a closer look, so you can see the 3D pattern. So I'm going to create the same on all the other nails. See here, a slight N, that's what I meant, not a exact N, but a slight textured cable knit pattern. So this is a beautiful look. You can clearly see it, that's what I mean. And you can even use regular polish, but every coat let it dry and then go over it with the next coat. Okay, so I'm going to repeat all the steps and create the same on all my nails, and then I'll get back to you. So once you're done, this is how your nail art will look like. See how it looks on the darker polish or a darker base. So the blunder that I did, I went over it with a top coat, and that was the biggest mistake of my life because that ruined my nail art. The 3D the 3D effect fell flat and I didn't like it basically, because it wasn't looking 3D by any chance or from any angle. So my advice to you would be, don't apply a top coat and ruin that nail art. See how it looks like? It looks all glossy and that texture doesn't come out at all. So what I did was I applied the same polishes once again, applied a good transparent top coat over it, and then I created that texture, that 3D cable knit texture. So this is how it will look like. It will look matte, but at the same time it will look slightly glossy. So this is how your final nail art will look like. So don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe for the extra effort that I took to create this nail art again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Jaquline Me and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And until next time, bye. Thank you for watching.